In this video, I'll detail how to make your iPhone ringer volume louder. So if when you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, each time you discover that the moment you pick up the phone, the iPhone ringer volume reduced, or the iPhone ringer volume is always at minimum even when you disable silent mode on your iPhone. So here, I'm going to show you a quick trick that you can use to make your iPhone ringer volume louder. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There are two ways to do this. The first approach is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on sounds and haptics. Then make sure your ringtone and alert is at the extreme end. So when this is at this extreme end, the next tactics I'm going to share with you will make sure that the ringtone and alert volume is maintained at this particular level. But if you reduce the volume like this, even when you do the next trick, this is not going to make sure that the phone ringtone and alert maintain the same volume level. So just make sure you extend this to the extreme end, then hit the back button. You need to go back to the iPhone settings screen. On the iPhone settings screen, scroll down, click on your Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode depending on your iPhone. So click on that. Go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Now once you typed that, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to attention aware feature. If attention aware feature is turned on your iPhone, this is going to reduce your iPhone ringer volume. So each time your iPhone recognizes that you pick up the phone, when you have an incoming call, this is going to reduce the volume. But if you don't want your iPhone to reduce the volume, you just need to go ahead and disable attention aware feature, as this will allow your iPhone to not check before dimming the display, and this expand notifications when locked or lowering the volume of some alerts. So this is not going to go ahead and lower the volume of your iPhone ringer. So just go ahead and disable this. Then once that is disabled, then you're good to go. So this is all you just need to do to make sure that your iPhone ringer volume is louder and louder enough. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.